Top 5 best commercial vacuum cleaner. Commercial vacuum cleaners are equipped with more powerful and larger motors, which are designed to clear the grime and dirt from environment that are very dirty. They are usually for more expensive as compared to the regular ones used in the homes. Okay, let's watch this informative review video on Amazon.com. Number 1. Shark Navigator LiftAway Professional NV356E Vacuum Cleaner. The rating is high with 4.3 out of 5 stars with more than 9,000 customer reviews. Lift away, press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard to reach areas. Anti-allergy and complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Powerful and lightweight, portable and versatile with only at 13.7 pounds. Brush tool shut off, deep carpet and gentle bare floor cleaning. Wash the pre-motor foam and left filters every 3 months under the normal use. For optional performance of the post-motor HEPA filter and wash and air dry once every 2 years or as needed. Number 2. Oreck Commercial XL Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If we see the rating is 4 out of 5 stars with more than 2000 customer reviews and 460 answered questions. The Oreck XL Commercial Upright Vacuum is a commercial grade vacuum that offers all the power and performance you expect from an Oreck. This versatile upright makes it easy to keep your business clean. It gets up close to cabinets and baseboards and fits easily under post furniture, clothes racks and chairs and desks. It can be used on all surfaces including carpet, wood, laminate and tile with no manual height adjustment. Number 3. Again from Shark. Shark Rotary Professional Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum. Rating is very high with more than 4,000 customer reviews. The LiftAway, press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard to reach areas. Premium pet power brush picks up pet hair and debris and deep cleans under from all surfaces. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Advanced swivel steering with LED headlights. Excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. XL capacity dust cap. Extended cleaning without interruption. And the next, number 4, Sanitaire Commercial Checkout Bag Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The rating is 3.8 out of 5 stars and 355 customer reviews with 51 answered questions. The Sanitaire SC679J Commercial Checkout Bag Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight, only 12 pound, has a 5 ampere motor that delivers 120 cubic feet per minute of airflow and has an 18 dry quart capacity tight text fabric checkout bag that can be equipped and used to save cost associated with a disposable bag. The handle has an automatic locking system with a foot paddle release for usability and drops down flat for cleaning under furniture and for storage. This vacuum cleaner has earned a carpet and a rug institute seal of approval for soil removal and indoor air quality in the commercial use vacuum category. And the last, number 5, Hoover Commercial CS4115 Huston Hard-Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Rating is 3.7 out of 5 stars with only 35 customer reviews and 20 answered questions. Huston 2-speed motor, less than 69 dB sound when you want and more performance when you need it. Sealed allergen system with Hexar technology, traps 99% of dirt, dust and pollen for clear air. No tool assembly and maintenance. Ready to use right out of box. Clean air path to second with no tools needed. Reasonable HEPA filter. Traps 99.97 of dust, dirt and pollens down to 0.3 microns. Quick change cord, replace only the extension cord when damaged, saving money and eliminating downtime. So friends, at last I want to say regarding this review video that this is not a colorful video but is very authenticated and an informative review video. Products picked on Amazon.com direct. So request to you subscribe this channel for getting more latest updates.